What's up, YouTube? We got some stupid mail today. Check this out real quick. Remember that case to sign my or get a legal guardian because my mom filed some crazy fucking thing from the Charité the 22nd of March? They're saying it's totally cool that there's a mandatory exploration despite sending numerous letters which the person actually is complaining about, and the use of violence and basically deprivation of liberty, etc., is absolutely permissible in their opinion based on two fake medical records basically that you already have here online, and the audio recordings of both of those actually in full, right? So they're basically having doubts because I'm asking for so much reparation money, and even my supposed whatever that may be, I guess public defender okays the decision of that judge, right? And funny thing is, the letter, was sent today, and the appointment of the exploration is supposedly also today, right? And they're basically, yeah, considering false evidence, and also, I gotta be locked up for that non-existent cannabis addiction because I'm like more than 3 months sober right now. Yeah, so much for Germany. Your civil liberties, freedom, your honor, not having had a single little thing. And obviously you have video evidence proof over here. If you check out my Instagram, the highlights and stuff like weedup.media, for example, or weedup 2.0, weedup 1.0, I posted this stuff over there, or also have it over here, or on TikTok. You're gonna see the fucking legal system failing, yeah? Specifically, if you're Ricarda Bormann, your public defender, as I understand it, okays drastic measures like, breaking open your door, entering and searching your place, and potentially apply violence, right? So much for the judiciary here. And it's all about a basically legal guardianship, right? Where they're supposed to help me with my financial management, obviously, and with whatever it is, representation in front of courts, which I'm obviously doing. If you've been following my Instagram stories, I've obviously took matters into my own hands to hold this country accountable. And yes, I'm charging this country a fortune for 631 days of human rights violations as an American citizen who also filed a human rights complaint against this country of Germany, my former country where I grew up, was born and raised in, but want nothing to do with anymore ever again. Obviously, after 631 days of human rights violations and following crimes against humanity, false incarceration in a psych ward, severely injured with a ripped labrum, with a dislocated shoulder, with two new bulge discs in my neck from attempted murder by these stupid ass scum-ass fucking lying cops from February 14th last year, with two ripped interior tendons, a partially ripped MPFL and higher grade MPFL rip, and a lower grade or also a rip partial MCL rip. Yeah, so basically, and that on top of pre-existing conditions where you already had a legal cannabis patient status here in Germany since 2017 for like a herniated disc that definitely fucked you really, 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 really hard as far as pain is concerned. So much so, I'm reporting in, definitely bitching angrily, but also keeping you updated about the things that's been going on here for quite some time. But we're battling it out with this inept and failed judiciary system and this court, whatever they think that they are. Not with me, motherfuckers. Definitely not. So definitely leave a like, support this fucking channel, and maybe share this video with a friend if you think that this fucking story is fucking unheard of, and maybe to get a little more publicity on the fucking case. Appreciate everybody that's been following me for years, like since 2018. So definitely let me know if you've been following me for some time. Definitely drop your following year or something in the fucking comments so I know who's been there from day one. So love everybody. Peace out. Have a wonderful evening.